Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find the fuse for the turn signals, guys, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located. It's very hidden. Some of you wonder why, and we will explain, guys, as we go. Also, we will explain, guys, okay, how to test the fuse if you don't know that, because if you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and it ends up being a bad fuse, you can spend so much time and money to fix your Kia Optima. So we will explain that as we go. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here. Check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the food, well, you can see that fuse box, okay, right here. Remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So we showed you where the interior fuse box is located. What we did, guys, we actually took a picture so we can show with the great detail where all the fuses are located. Otherwise, it's impossible for us to stick the camera, my hand and light at the same time to point at the fuse, guys. But the the turn signal fuse, guys, is under the central locking system, because when you lock your car, you know, your turn signals will flash. So you're going to find that fuse, guys. You're going to come to the third row, okay, and then you go down to the sixth fuse. That's 20 amp fuse. Okay, it's that fuse right here. This is the fuse that you need to check. It's known as a door lock fuse. Check it out. That's the one that's for the turn signals as well. Also, you have another fuse that's for the multi-function switch, guys. This is for the steering column switches, and we have the video on the channel. Check this fuse as well, multi-function switch fuse on Kia Optima, or check that door lock fuse as well, guys. That's right here. Now, if you need to test the fuse, guys, it practically takes less than a few seconds to test the fuse. Never assume it's a good or bad fuse, because you can tell for sure sometimes, and we have a special video that will teach you that it takes less than a few seconds to test it, guys. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.